Hi everyone! I haven't made a video for about 3-4 months or so. I'm sure nobody cared or noticed, but hello again! I am in a new setup because I have a new house. I just moved into my new house in Brighton, ready for third year of university, and I thought my first video should be something fun and summery, and so it's going to be a bold colour, clashing prints, how I like to style them video. This year, 2018, has all been about crazy colours and exciting, vibrant, standout looks, I think. So yeah, I'm going to talk through a bit about how I like to colour match things and show you about 3, 4, 5 looks, depending on which ones I actually prefer when I edit this video. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so kicking it off with look number 1, we have these beautiful silk green pinstripe trousers I picked up from the Bershka sale. Bershka is a bit of an underdog with high street stores. Like, lots of people, whenever I wear things from Bershka, they always go, oh my god, I never even think to go in there. So when I wanted to create this look, I picked the pink out of the trousers, which are in the stripes, and when I was in the Topshop sale, I spotted this really vibrant pink crop top, which I thought was perfect. And then when at home, I already had some yellow accessories because I love a yellow accessory. For some reason, yellow and pink have been like my ultimate colours this year. So for my second look of this video, I've gone for a daytime and nighttime or summer/winter version of this outfit. So we're basing this outfit around the yellow and blue striped trousers that are also from the Bershka sale. I love a mustard and I love an electric blue, and together I think they're just perfect. Luckily enough, in the Topshop sale, I also picked up this blue jumper, which is actually fleecy in the inside, but it's still cropped, which gives it that sort of like fashion feel. Blue mesh striped high neck top I got from the Zara sale. With the horizontal stripes, with the vertical stripes, I think it gives it a really sort of good texture to the outfit. So, more of like a black and white vibe going on for my third look. I've got these amazing Dalmatian print jeans that I got from Topshop. You could also wear it with a black t-shirt. I wear it sometimes with a black Jack Daniels t-shirt that I tie around in the middle. But then to make it a bit more jazzier and a bit more interesting, I put this dogtooth blazer over the top. Though it is a spots and stripes type thing, I think it works really well. And then bringing it into a winter style, you can swap like a pair of sunglasses for a nice red beret, because red, black and white, obviously, it's almost like the primary colours. Like, we want to stick to that sort of classic colour scheme. Something a bit more relaxed now for look number 4. I have my favourite pair of red dungarees. I got these from Topshop earlier in the summer and I've worn them to death. I think they're so comfortable. They are a very nice cherry red. Pink and red have been everywhere in 2018 and I'm still not over the trend. And so I found this red and pink striped sort of knitted t-shirt from the Zara sale, and I thought it would just go absolutely perfect. It gives it a sort of feminine feel, but it's also something like comfy and almost tomboyish with the dungarees, but the red and the pink trend is still 100% on my radar. for my final look, it was just something that I thought, oh, I've worn this in a few Instagram photos, so I thought I would throw it in the mix as well because I did really enjoy these two massively clashing patterns. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's HOUX Parkinson and I will link it in the description. So yes, we've got this cow print top that is from a boutique store called Shop Fluffy. I paired it with this vintage midi skirt that I got from a charity shop in Chichester earlier in the year. It's got these bright pink stripes down, but also with these lavender flowers on, so it's already a clashing print within itself, but for some reason I think it goes so well with this cow print. That's all I really have to say. I hope you enjoyed my colourful, crazy looks of summer 2018. I will definitely be making more fashion videos, etc. for the upcoming autumn winter 2018 sort of lookbooks. I've been looking through all the runways from earlier in the year and getting very excited to start buying coats and jumpers. But yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you have a good rest of your day and I hope you stick around for some more okay content.